Okay, you guys, good morning. It is the morning of Vlogmas Day 2. It is December 2nd. I have just woken up about an hour ago. I finished editing a video, and it is in the process of uploading right now. So you should be able to enjoy it today, the 2nd of December, and I actually purchased an advent calendar from Kohl's a few days ago. I didn't open the first slot yesterday, so I'm going to open the first slot and the second slot today right here on camera. So here is one, and I'm having difficulty taking it out. Typical. It's this really pretty lip liner by Color Couture. And let's open up the second one. As soon as I find it, it's right there. It is a lip color, and I'm guessing it can go with this. Maybe. We'll see. So we have some bean dip, and we're watching the Bronco game.
Did you get tape? Do you need tape?
Okay, you guys, so as you can tell, it is a few hours later. I went to work, I did my makeup, and now I am in completely different clothes. It is currently a little bit after 8 o'clock, and I'm going over to my cousin's right now to give her her own little beauty advent calendar for this year for her birthday. As I said earlier, her birthday was yesterday, so let's hope that she likes her present, and we'll head over there right now. And I'm not sure if oh my gosh, and I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it is currently snowing here in southern Colorado. Okay, you guys, so I am back home. I did not film anything at my cousin's, so she liked her advent calendar. I'm really happy that she did. And according to the car, it's 32 degrees out here. It is still snowing, as you can tell from my hair. Okay, you guys, so today is December 3rd. It is the third day of Vlogmas. We're headed over to the Dollar Tree and Target, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. I am wearing a denim jacket and my Denver Broncos Tim Tebow jersey. I should have actually worn this jersey yesterday because they were playing and they actually won. They were playing against Cincinnati, so they were playing against the Bengals, and I personally really like Andy Dalton, but he wasn't playing, so there was no conflict of interest there whatsoever. I'm so proud of myself. I'll see you guys over at the store. Okay, so as you could see from the previous clips, we went and saw a bunch of pretty Christmas lights. There weren't that many right now around this time of year, so maybe we'll go back again, and hopefully there's going to be more. And it's the end of the night, so I'm just going to take off my makeup, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, you guys, so I literally just got out of school. I just got out of my last class. I haven't done my hair at all yet, and I feel kind of gross. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and after that, I'm just gonna clean up my room a little bit.
Eventually.
Hi you guys, it is the morning. It is December 5th? Yeah. Okay, so it is December 5th. It is the 5th day of Vlogmas, and I'm especially excited for today because Sylvia Gani is officially releasing her palette with BH Cosmetics, so you know I'm definitely going to be checking that out. I actually signed up for one of those early subscription kind of alerts. So I've been a fan of Sylvia's for about like 3 years now. So I'm really excited and proud of her. I'm actually going to be getting some of her S Club merch in the mail really soon. So I'll do an unboxing of that and a review for you guys about the quality, how much I like it, and everything like that. And this is what I'm wearing today. It's just an Everlast hoodie. And I'm wearing some leggings and Uggs. Yeah, and Uggs. And I'm currently uploading a video right now. It is the Hufflepuff makeup tutorial. So if you haven't seen that already, go check it out. It is linked in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Pizza for breakfast. Please don't judge me. Okay you guys, so today is the 6th day of Vlogmas. I am uploading this video right now. Well, not uploading it, I'm editing it right now. And sadly, the most exciting thing that happened today was my Ipsy package came. So I'm going to be doing some swatches for you on camera right here, and I hope you all enjoy. So the first swatch on the very top is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the shade Foxy. The second is Bonnie Dew Liquid Highlighter, and the eyeshadow swatch is from Helios Beauty. So yeah guys, that was the most exciting thing that has happened today. The Ipsy package came, and I can't wait to unbox the December package for you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys on Sunday. Remember, you are all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you guys later. Bye!